And we wanted to prove a point. Kahit mag-work from home ka, you can still deliver. And we did deliver naman on the things that we can control.
This is Truth on the Line. Merong senator sabi, bakit daw nag 2-day work week lang yung Department of Energy? Merong ganong criticism. Ano po yung...
Well, 2-day, hindi naman 2-day work week. Work from home naman the rest.
Work from home.
That's what I was emphasizing. Work from home because we work. I mean, people from DOE are not high school kids. No, they're all professors. They're all engineers, geologists, and they're professionals. So, ang ano lang yan, because we know how the situation can get worse at any time, and we've been pushing for work from home actually and energy efficiency, and we wanted to prove a point that if work from home. Kahit mag-work from home ka, you can still deliver. And we did deliver naman on the things that we can control, no? So it's to prove a point that we can all chip into this, no? We can save energy, and DOE actually save about 60% of its fuel and electricity, and our campaign has been somewhat affected kasi there was a drop of 20% in the demand. So mas gusto ko sana 50% actually para just to make sure na we're on a safe zone, you know. But yeah, that was what was the point. That was the point of the whole exercise. And we were quite successful because we saved a lot of money na hopefully the government can be able to add more, no, to the ayuda that they're giving, no, kasi naka-saving DOE. But since it's been requested by asked by the Senate, we're changing that as they have told us to do so.
Marami pang areas tayong hindi na-cover, Secretary, but we're running out of time. Maybe you have a message to our consumers, to our transport sector in particular, hardest hit.
Yeah, the current situation is not really, I mean, ngayon po bumababa, pero we don't know what's going to happen. And I'm always of the belief that we need to prepare for the worst, no? So, not the only thing that each and every Filipino can do is save on electricity and fuel, actually. If you don't need to use your aircon, don't use it. If you need to use it, put it at 24 degrees so you can save on electricity. And then, of course, your car, no? Kung pwede kang mag-EV or just try to, to chip in into the savings. And that will redound to the general benefit of the whole country. Everybody, I mean, I'm really asking for this, na kung pwede lang, let's save, no? Let's save until things settle down, and we know that for sure that the war will go worse. It's a way for us to save money, to save on electricity, and to save our economy also.